I have a new project.
Hiya.
Welcome back to the channel. What are you doing?
I have deodorant marks, but at least you know I'm wearing deodorant. But it must just, it's one of the things, it must happen to other people when you put your clothes on, but hey ho. That happened to me.
Hello.
You have a new project.
Yeah, because you're going on holiday.
I am going on holiday. I'm leaving you for 5 days, yeah. 4 days, 5 days. Well, you say this, I'm going on the annual family holiday. Somebody's just escaped this year.
Yes. But I realised about a week ago, I think it was.
Okay.
That Emily has a bike for the Mallee-Mile.
I do.
And Luke has a bike for the Mallee-Mile that I spent a lot of time working on.
He does.
And
you don't.
I don't.
You're feeling left out.
I am
feeling
feeling
missing
left
out.
And
although my bike for the Mallee is not quite running because somebody put the wires in the wrong way around.
We don't mention that. We don't mention that. So yeah, if you're wondering why it didn't start at the kickback show, even though we did all the work to get it finished, it's not finished.
Because he plugged it in.
Plug it in
the appliance was not plugged in.
But we parked that. That's kind of.
Apparently so. Oh right, just shove me out of the way.
Took the back there. And the new project is an old project.
Yeah, which to be fair, does please me in that I don't like things not being used.
Mm-hmm.
I have this umbrage with some of your guitars because they just get dusted and sit in the things and they've become ornaments. But some have stories, so I can get over that. But like for the bikes, it's nice to have a use for them, and even if they don't get used all the time, but just having a purpose for them. And you have actually come up with ideas for this one,
I think it's a good idea.
So that it can be.
We'll find out tomorrow at the Mallee.
Used. Well, like you say, you want something to go to the Mallee on.
I do.
But you don't want to take yours.
No, because it's out there and it's very shiny and precious.
If you happen to dink it in whatever way, shape or form, if something happened to it, you'd be gutted.
Yeah.
And so you thought, well, actually, this come back to us because sadly your dad can't start it so much anymore. He had a knee replacement and it is just a bit of a sod to kickstart over. And we even looked at whether we could make it an electric start, but that required a lot of finicky engineering, which I don't know, we just thought that ship sailed, didn't
Maybe
it?
the project justifies it. I don't think he'd get the enjoyment out of it, to be honest.
Yeah.
But the problem I had was that this is too similar to the other bike.
Yeah.
In reality, and if I was ever going to pick one to take out, it would be that one. Now, I built this bike. I hate saying this. I built this bike.
Lots of moons ago.
I actually handed this bike to my dad 20 years ago. Next month. For his 50th birthday.
Yes.
So it's quite fitting that it's back in as a kind of rebuild it again project 20 years later, ready for the Mallee, which happens to be on his 70th birthday. So we will be rallying around that woodland and doing all sorts of off-road on his bike on his 70th birthday.
Do you not feel like we should be with him?
No, they've already got plans.
Oh.
They've made plans without us, so when my mum told me, I was like, thank God for that. But yeah, so I have some ideas for this, and there are some parts accruing on the shelf, but I'm doing very well at not going down an avenue of trying to bury myself too much, because I'm going on a long ride tomorrow to the Peak District on this, hopefully, if this goes well this evening, with Luke. And I would normally kind of dive in and go after everything and then be here till 2 in the morning swearing at it. But I'm going to do the bare basics.
We're trying to learn from previous mistakes.
Yeah.
And just try and give ourselves a little more breathing space. I mean, we still need enough pressure. I mean, it is the night before that you still are now about to fit a clutch.
I am, yeah.
So we're still pretty to the wire, but
I've limited the job.
Could be worse.
Yeah. So on the list.
Oh, you've written it out.
And now look at this. So I'm going to do the clutch. Front mudguard is. There's a story with that, but we're going to steal the one off the other bike for now. Tail light because somebody backed it into a van and broke the lens.
That was not me actually.
It was not. It was me. The throttle cable, because you'll see that it's too short and then sticks right out the side over there. And then a few other bits.
Why can't you leave this mudguard on?
It's way too close to the tyre.
Oh, right.
And it's the
okay.
wrong profile for this 29-inch
Right.
wheel. So the reason I'm doing a clutch, if people have seen on the channel, there was a video where we went out with Weems
Yeah.
for a ride out, and he stalled on a roundabout, and while it was warm, trying to kickstart it, the clutch just kept slipping. He said, you need to do something about that. So that was 18 months ago.
Yeah.
And it has sat here ever since. So this bike genuinely hasn't run for 18 months.
No. But we are at the end of all the commitments for other people at the minute, so we are going to invest a little more in our own bits and pieces before we undertake anything else that's not our own, I think, for a little bit.
Yeah, so we got to do wiring on the Honda build to replace those, sort those pins out. We've got a few bits on this, a few other projects and some days out, but this will kind of, I think, run in the background now all the way through till we get to the Mallee.
Yeah.
Should we try some more out?
Yeah, go for it.
I need this one. Let's go, you on.
I'm here, this is all you. I'm back to being the camera person. Back in my comfort zone.
So if anybody's wondering why I'm back here to drain the oil, hoping this one is quite worn out, to be fair.
Lights on.
Could you put your foot under that pedal or your hand? You show people what you're doing.
Here is my hand doing hand things.
Dropping the brake pedal down. Here comes some naughty things. So, you can tell I built this bike when I was 19. And yet everybody sees the wiring, I didn't do that. This is my dad's wiring, this is. Look at this. Like bowstrings. I can already see the job list. Interesting fact that you won't find interesting.
Some people might though watching this.
Because this is a TR25T originally, which is the off-road version, or a factory attempt at an off-road version, which is why it's got a 21-inch front wheel. It has folding footrest. Oh God, that's not good.
What was it about this bike that you built this one for your dad rather than the replica of the 70s bike for your dad?
So, I don't have the photos here. Mr. Dobbs has got them. But when I started the plan to build the bike for my dad's 50th birthday, I was going to do it exactly like I did the other one, gold frame and everything. And there's a photo kicking around somewhere, which I will put in. It was in the magazine article actually, where when he rebuilt his, he did it with a black frame and a polished tank and like traditional BSA colours. And I asked him why he did it, and he said because it appeals to more people when he wanted to sell it. It was more traditional, and you wouldn't really. And I said, well, if you were to build one now, would you do it like the bright colours? He's like, oh no, it's far too outlandish. So when I was building this, I went with the scheme that he had, but the black frame to make it a little bit more appropriate for a man approaching. Well, he was 50.
Yeah, I see.
There you go. So it was because I asked him. Right, there is a notepad on the side
There is.
that I've written a summary of the workshop manual.
You've written a summary of the workshop manual.
Yeah.
You've drawn 5 dots.
Yep. Which one's the drain plug?
And you've drawn a t-shirt.
No, that's one of these.
That's a t-shirt.
That's one of these. Look.
You've drawn a t-shirt.
Right. Everybody watching, comment below. That's one of those, isn't it?
That's a t-shirt.
Right. Anyway. Second one down. Cool. Let's go, drain plug. Be a drain plug. Second one down. That one. I'm saying. Are you going to be a drain plug? What do you think? don't know if this is the right one.
You're telling me you couldn't tell from that summary?
If it's not this one, it's the other one. It's that one.
There you go.
Emily's obsessed with getting Instagram followers, that's what she was doing.
I was not. I was said I was going to join people back in, and it was a shame. Speed it up. Otherwise, you're going on no sleep.
Going solo. Shiny new. Okay, back of the bike. Could tell a teenager worked on this. Forced. No. 9mm.
Oh, this is quite amusing actually, because normally when we have, for the last little while when we've worked on things, they've not previously been worked on by you. And this is you now being annoyed at your old self.
Young self.
Young self.
Who knows?
Go on, 5th time's a charm.
Seems that way, don't it? I've got some caveats in here. It could be my dad.
I doubt it. I doubt it being your dad. I think it was a young you that had left this probably till the day before you were giving it him, or the morning of you were giving it him.
That doesn't sound like me.
Throwing it together. Maybe some fresh air on me when we stop yawning. Oh, look at it there. Why don't you just go on that one? It's already there, look, looking like, take me, I'm ready.
God, I hate life right now. What size are you?
Do we hate life or do we hate 19-year-old you?
I don't think this is me, because I had this cloned. That's all right, 'cause it'll make tomorrow really fun. When I go on the other one.
When you take the mash, because the mash is reliable. How are your knees doing at all the up and down, up and down?
Oh, great, Sam. Loving it.
Really good bite list you've got.
Yep.
Working out well.
Not 1/2 inch. 1/16. So wish I hadn't dropped this into a van.
Oh, lots of frustration for your former self.
Oh, I see the problem.
I see a problem too. I'm looking at it.
Spring washer had gone round it because there wasn't a washer used. See, you're supposed to be able to slacken them off and just slot that out. And this should just pull through wherever the holes are. I bet there's a big washer on the back of this one. Yeah. There we go.
There we go. Right, we're cooking with gas now.
Well, we'll see.
So, how's your quick win going?
Oh, it's amazing. I'm having to work with my dad's digital work.
What have I missed then? Because I went to make a cup of tea. Because,
Well,
you know, you need tea and coffee at 10 o'clock at night.
When motorcycles are involved. So I have fitted the new tail light lens and tail light bulb holder.
Oh, I see.
Over there.
I was just looking and thinking, no, you haven't. It's not on the bike, but I see. It's this on the work.
He's all
on the
together.
bench. Yeah.
Nice over there. So what I've now done is plug the solenoid over there when I actually need it over here.
Right, I see. Yeah, it's here. Look, warming up. Don't you push me out the way. Everyone will have seen that then in the window, the pushing there. Oh look, now we can't find this.
Why is it there? It doesn't live there. That's where the dust pile goes.
This is because he doesn't put things back. Standards are slipping. He's been back a couple of months. It's all slipping. That's going to work, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Run with it.
You just want to go to bed.
Well, yeah, in an ideal world, I wasn't signing up for a late evening. I didn't know that was what we was.
It wasn't on my cards either.
Okay. So it's a surprise to both of us. Don't give me that face! That face then, because he's like, you stood in front of the drawer.
Well,
That-
were you
wait.
stood in front of the drawer?
We have to an extent. Oh, hang on, my gimbal's not happy. Wait a minute. Whoop, whoop. We have to an extent perfected somewhat what our good friends Sue and Mark would refer to as a workshop dance.
The motorhome dance.
Yeah, they had it in their motorhome, and we have it here. And for the most part,
It's seamless.
well, it's not quite seamless, but we don't trip over one another that often.
No. However,
But there are just, it comes in waves. Sometimes there seems to be days where,
yeah,
I don't know, we're just out of sync and the energy's not there. But yeah.
I think it's probably because you wasn't planned to be involved in this in the initial stage,
yeah,
and certainly not at this time of night.
no,
And
this was
yeah.
not in the plan, and this is not how the evening was sold to me.
This is not how the evening was sold to myself. I can assure you. I promised myself a nice, stress-free, let's just get the bike back together. That's not what happened. But hey ho, it could be worse. I could be working on a Japanese bike.